Hello YouTube friends, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, your girl is going to be showing you what she got from KORS. Let me show you. Let's get KORS. I went to the outlet. So if you're interested in what your girl picked up at the KORS outlet, then stay tuned and keep on watching. All right, let me just start with the small bag first. If you see from the thumbnail, you'll see there's 3 bags. So here's one of the bags. So let me just get right into this one. And what I like about KORS is most of their stuff is new at the outlet. So they go in the back and then they pull out the item that's, that's not on the floor. So everything is, so your girl got her a pair of sneakers. A pair of sneakers. And look at the purple. Look at these. I know these are so stark white. So I love white sneakers. This is what the bottom looks like. And I tried on one in the store and these were on clearance, so I can't return them, which is fine. I got a 9.5. They're called Poppy Stripe Lace Up Napa Faux Leather. So this is what the box says. So I think these are really darling. Here's the inside. They have like a purple tag. So yeah, so your girl was thinking of her Coach purple backpack to wear with these, even though they're different shades of purple. But you know, your girl, she'll figure it out. Don't worry about it. Stay tuned, because you know I'll throw it in somewhere. And then in the other box here is also a pair of sneakers. And I know what y'all thinking. We know what you got in the big bag. Y'all think y'all know what I got in the big bag, but stay tuned and keep watching. And thumbs up the video, like thumbs up the video, like what's up? And these are called Teddy slip-ons, MK signature. I love slip-on sneakers. It's like my favorite thing because you can just pop them on and you get to go. So here they are. Aren't these cute? And they are like the light baby pink, and then this is like I would say like an apricot pink or something. Well, that's what I would call it, but they call it Teddy. It has this little MK gold thing back here, and these are really cute. They have KORS right here, and then this is the bottom. They look just like the purple pair. Yeah, and so on the inside they're nice and pink. So these are so cute. So I did try those on and I thought that they fit pretty good. And then what else do the girl have? Y'all think y'all know me. Y'all think y'all know me? Did I get a backpack? Did I get a backpack is the question. Ta-da! I have a purse. It's called Jet Set Travel. Jet Set Travel. So let's get right into it. This is really like my first, I mean, I did purchase one item from KORS, and I do have a video on that, and I'll link it below. But I don't traditionally buy KORS. I don't know. I just haven't, but here it is. Look at this cutie pie. Look at this. I just love how when you buy stuff from the outlet that it's already, that it's wrapped. So it's new for you and it's new. So this is the, I'm holding it in my lap, but let me just get to it. So look at this. It has this cute little Michael Kors charm. That's so cute. And then it has the gold color. It has a pocket in the back. And I'll put the measurements on the screen for this. And then this is what, look how they pack the inside. And it has a zipper with a gold pull. I love a zipper on the bag because your girl clumsy sometimes. Your girl will tip over her bag. I'm just saying, being cute and everything, and then boom, I'll tip it over. So it's stuffed in the inside. Let's get this stuff out. This is the strap. And then stuff with this. So this is the inside. It has this. And then it has a back zipper. What is it? It says on here? Jet Set Travel Dark Powder Blush. Crossbody Conventional Tote, I think. Here, let me show you guys the tag. So what it has on here, $4.48. What? So, let me just cut this little tag off this strap. Here's the strap. And it says crossbody. Oh, I'm just making a mess. So, here we go. Yeah, and it has this little, you can pull it up to keep this closed. It's gold. And it has a Michael Kors on it. So yeah, so this is the crossbody strap. And the inside has a zipper. It has a zipper with a little booklet inside. Must be care instructions. So it has like that light beige. So yeah, I'll come back with what's in my bag. Okay, so now what else do I have in my bag? They had a deal, a 3-part deal with Michael Kors. So they had the notebooks, but they didn't have the notebook to match. What is this called? This is called Dark Powder Blush Giftables. You guys see that? So this is it. It's like a little cosmetic bag. And they got this zipper. Has a pull tab here. And it's pretty stuffed. Here's the tag. Dark Powder Blush. Oh, it's called a pencil case. Pencil case. So this is what it looks like on the inside. And it has this little care instruction here. Oh, this must be one of those security things. So this is what it looks like in the inside. So it's a nice pencil case. And it has this like leather Michael Kors tag. This feels like leather at the bottom. I would say this is about 2 inches. And then this is canvas. I just love the pink. That's what, and I like how it matches my shoes. So your girl can really get down. Now that Michael Kors do have clothes at the outlet, but okay. So one more item, you guys. Well, 2 more items. And so then I got this. This is Jet Set Travel Dark Powder Blush. And I've been seeing wallets like this with on YouTube with Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Coach. And when I saw this in this pink color with Michael Kors, I said, oh, okay, this will be perfect for your girls. So, and then in the inside, it has just a regular key ring with a chain on it. And then in the inside, it has like a little pocket here. And it has the leather. And then it has these slots back here with a little pocket. So 1, 2, and then the ID part. So it's gold trim. So isn't it cute, cute, cute how they all match? And then, of course, the last item that I have here, if you know your girl, you know your girl did it. You know your girl got herself a backpack. A backpack. Ah! Thumbnail. So yeah, I got a backpack. And I really didn't, I just liked the way it looked. I love the pink color. I think I figured out my 3 favorite colors. I love purple, pink, and blue. And so here it is. And I just love how when you go to the outlet, everything is all wrapped up and you don't have to, so then it's a buckle for the straps. They're up here at the top. This is the back. Here is the side view. Oh, look at that little detail. I love how they have everything wrapped up. Except like some of the SLGs, they're not wrapped up. Here's the front. And then here's the bottom. And it has that smooth leather at the bottom. And then here's the other side. So let's take a peek of the inside. And look at the, it has Michael Kors here with the gold. Okay, I'll just take those off later. And then here's the straps. So look how they have that wrap. That's so cute. So it has 2 pockets. Oh, okay. And then these are just one-way zippers. You know your girl like the 2-way zippers, but you know, what can you do? What can you do? Okay. Oh, they are nicely wrapped. Look at that. Look how they wrapped in the inside. So they have a pocket here, and then they have a slip pocket and a zipper pocket. Your girl got a mess. Okay, so then I'm just taking a peek while we're at it here. So then this pocket right here is just short. It's like a little like wallet pocket. And then this pocket is like a slip all the way to the bottom with a zipper. With a zipper pocket. And it has all the little care cards and stuff in the inside. And then the back pocket here. So then here's the back pocket. So yes, I love it. My Michael Kors haul. So what I'm gonna do is, oh here, let me go in the front one while we're at it here. And this one is stuffed too. And this is what the front pocket looks like. So yeah, this is my first or my second Michael Kors purchase. My first one, I'll put the video down below. It was like a passport wallet. And then this. And then I got a Michael Kors as a gift. So your girl is gonna pack this up and I will wear it probably next week. I'll be working a few days next week. So I'm gonna pack it up, wear it, and then I'll let you guys know what I think of it. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you can see what your girl be up to. And yes, I'm so excited about wearing this. I love this color. It's so pink. It's so pink and pretty. So I'll insert some pictures of what everything looks like. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Yeah, and then when I come back with what's in my bag, I'll show you some mod shots of what the stuff looked like when I try it on. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. And subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Deuces. Peace out. Love you guys.